We've got a door installer, hydraulic lift jack supporter, whatever you want to call it, from Fab Heavy Parts. And assuming the shipper didn't damage anything else aside from the packaging, we're going to put it together, go grab the 52 Chevy out of the shop, and hang some doors on that. Hopefully nothing is damaged. So far so good. We have instructions that aren't terribly mangled. We have some other packaging material. And it appears like 2 boxes of accessories and parts. Well, we've got a few parts here, nothing too complicated, just a number of boxes of parts and screws behind me. But in short, you've got a column that goes up and down. You put your door in here, and then you have a hydraulic jack. You can go ahead and raise and lower it into place. Very handy if you have, no friends like me to help you hang doors on cars. So we have a couple of other parts here. Looks like the base, top piece, and some side supports. So let's just run through our couple of boxes of parts real quick. We have some other hangers, which I believe are going to be set at the top. Have a bag of hardware. We've got 4 heavy-duty casters with out brakes on them, so take note of that. Alrighty, in short, here we go. Put together, I do have to tighten up the casters for the hardware on the casters. I don't have a really thin, slim 19 mil wrench, so I'm going to devise something for that. Maybe just grab onto the whole caster with my channel locks or pipe wrench or something. But the lift itself is here. And very simple to use. Literally, it was 10 bolts and nuts, plus these 2 guys. And jack it up to the height of your door frame. You can use this to extend taller or shorter doors. Maybe you've got convertible doors or frameless windows. You don't have, anything as high. And then you can loosen these up and pinch that door into where it needs to be. Depending on what vehicle you're using, you may need to put some blocking or some shims under it so it's the right height. This thing, without all the other doors and metal on it, sitting about 1.5 inches or 2 inches higher than it should. So I do need to put some wood under the door so I can properly grab it. And if you come around here, again, we've got this bar here. And these guys allow you to pinch your door in place. Lower it back down. Adjust it. This is going to get us close. So I'm going to go ahead and jack it up. Just put enough pressure on the jack to hold the door up. And that's going to allow me to make sure that is held in there. A couple other shims somewhere. Now make sure we've got our sides held in. Now go and find a big Phillips screwdriver. All right, I have one more screw up here. I'm going to hold the door just to be safe. I should be able to put another pump on here. There we go, and wheel it away from the vehicle. There you go. Pretty darn easy. Now the downside here is you get to look at my, well, I guess better side. So go ahead and just roll it back over into place. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few pumps to raise everything up where we need to be. Few more. So we're going to go with this. I think you can get the idea. We've got the door on the hoist. We've got a few screws here to put into place. And with a few adjustments of your cylinder, you can drop your hardware. You can get the lift into place where it needs to be and start your hardware. Got one screw in. Let's start one down here in the bottom. There we go. It is secured in again. Now you can use this a little bit if you need to help position the door. Again, depending on the type of car you have, you would be able to pivot this in a bit and help set your alignment. So again, pretty useful tool. And to get everything out, take out your shims or whatever, you can drop down the cylinder. That'll allow you to get any other blocking out you may have had. You can raise this back up. And here is our door back freestanding again. And it even went back on pretty much where it came off. So that's also awesome to see.